to amazing growth, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
5 quacking ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 quacking ducks went out to play, in the bright sun's warm display. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 quacking ducks swam in a row, in the pond where lilies grow. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 quacking ducks dove in the stream, chasing minnows in a gleam. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 quacking duck paddled alone, in the waters all on his own. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but none of the little ducks came back. Sad Mother duck with a tear in her eye said, I'll wait for my ducklings under the sky. Then all 5 little ducks came back to stay, quacking happily on a sunny day.
See you in the next videos. Please like and subscribe.